Good morning from Bangkok. Sorry, Gub. Today is it's a Saturday morning. We're a bit late today. It's nearly 11:30, and we're heading out to grab a coffee. Oh, this traffic's nuts. Anyway, we're heading out to grab a coffee. We're going to jump on the boat first, but we'll see if we can get there in one piece without getting tripped over on these footpaths. That's the thing, as you get older, you've got to try and stay fit so you're mobile and you can get around, because look at this here. They're doing up the footpaths, which is really good, but you may fall in a hole before they finish. Anyway, that's part of the fun of Bangkok. You've got to look after yourself today and watch where you're going. So we'll head down to the canal. We're almost there. Jump on the boat. We're going to get off at the Pratunam stop, and we'll sneak through Pratunam markets and grab a coffee. The first thing we got to do is squeeze through here. Down here. Are you going to go over the top?
It's going to, but not there.
Oh, we'll go down to Nana Chad Pier. Yeah. So we're heading down to the Nana Chad Pier. We could go over the bridge and jump on the boat from the other side, but they've not long opened this walkway, so we'll have a look. We'll have a look and see what it's like now. They've closed this bit. We can get along here. So let's head along and see what's going on. I guess the good thing about being a bit later this morning is the boats won't be so packed. So that's probably one good thing. But it's always interesting along here, and once they've finished it, and you can bike all the way along, and it should be quite good. Might hire a couple of bikes and go for a ride. Don't want to stick my phone over the side there and let it drop in. Dad wouldn't be happy. This little bridge that we're coming up to here, it's pretty new. The first time we walked along from this other end, there was no bridge here. So we got to, walked in just around here. That motorbike was sitting there, and there's a guy down the end there, and he saw us. And we turned around and started walking back up that way, but he came down and whistled out, so we came back. And he showed us how to climb over. And it was down there, I don't think there was so much all that stuff right there wasn't there. And we climbed over. He showed us how to do it, and we felt a bit guilty if we didn't try it ourselves, so we climbed over and we shimmered along here. And he got down and carried on walking. Something we probably shouldn't have done, but he took the time to show us, so we gave it a crack. It's not a canal I'd want to fall in though. Bugger, it is packed. Man, was I wrong. That boat was packed, like sardine packed. That's all right. It was only, what, 10 or 15 minutes? Not too long.
I didn't even think it was that long.
If you were going to the Platinum Mall, that's the stop you get off at, because it's right over the road. Oh, fresh air. We've made it to the Pratunam market. We'll try and get through here as quickly as possible and get to our coffee shop. Can I have a new camera? Thank you. The food centre over the road there. It's always interesting down this alley. Plenty of food to choose from. Fish, crispy chicken. And as always, you've got to make sure you don't get run over. I love this wiring here. Always love coming through this last little bit. So I always love coming through this last little bit. It's like this. Stepping back in time, and you come out to this. Hello again. How are you? We're at Jack Rail's Slow Bar. Hello. It's always good. It's just like a little community down here. Everyone's friendly, and they've been here so long. The kitchen over the road, over the railroad, and about every half hour a train comes through here. Doesn't slow down much either.
Wait, it's just the train come. What ways does the train come? No sweetener, thank you. Does it come that way, doesn't it?
Come on, that time of it. Mine always looks alright too.
Oh yes. What a beautiful garden. I love it. Oh. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
It's so funny. Good is he? Right, we've done our coffee. Now we're going to try and sneak through here somehow. Look at this new one. It's probably one of the fleshiest houses along here. trips around the sun. That's what it's talking about. Got to be careful when you're walking, otherwise you'll end up in a hole. Oh yeah. So we've just got off the BTS at Ari. It's about 12:30. If you come down, you can come straight into this little lane of food stalls. See if we can find some lunch. It's always nice along here. The coffee shop back there is the one we went to last time. It's closed. That's the problem here. So many sweet treats. Macaroons. So we've come into this little area in here, and what do you feel like, a banh mi?
Yep.
Let's have a Vietnamese banh mi in Bangkok.
In Bangkok, we have a Banh mi.
Yeah. Hey, how good's this look? Adele spotted the banh mi's over there. It's made from bottle tops. So we've come to Fortune Town now, just got off the MRT, and we're going to duck into Lotus supermarket, get a couple of things. I'll show you what the price of a few things are here in Bangkok, see if you can compare back at home. Okay, it's 47 baht, a small bag. I'm guessing those prices are per kilo. Yeah, I'm guessing. $70 per kilo, I'm guessing. Oh, being a Saturday, they don't have much of a selection by the look of it. Upstairs to all your toiletries and TVs and refrigerators and everything in between. Adele spotted the Christmas trees. I'm still looking for some Christmas lights for the balcony.
I'm not allowed one this year.
No Christmas tree for us this year, just some lights. I don't even think they've got them. $7.99 for a iron. $6.99 for a jug. Oh no, for the duster. $2.99 for the jug. Suitcases. Oh, that's pretty light actually, surprisingly, for 1,090, slightly bigger. Oh yeah, that's heavy. With the airlines being so strict these days, or some of them, especially the budget airlines. Well, that was just a quick look in Lotus at Rama 9. We'll end the vlog here. Definitely, if you're in the, you can visit Bangkok and you're in the Pratunam market area, look down the end of the one of those alleyways. It's a Jack Rail slow bar, and support them because he said it had been pretty quiet, and the coffee's good, and he's friendly as. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm chatty over there. Where do we get on down the end here?